I always see a lot of graphic design jobs online. So today I thought, why not try to do some of these jobs using an AI image generator? Since I don't have access to DALL-E 2 at the moment, I am trying the new Midjourney engine. Let's go. Okay, so I thought I'd just start off by showing you how Midjourney works. So basically this runs off Twitter. There is a free version that you can go into your chat room and get your own prompts for free. I have this paid version now. I think I paid $10 for 200 images. Then you get your own bot, so it's not so much spam. So how this works is you just type /imagine, then you get this prompt feature. Then you just paste or type your prompt. So I have this pre-made prompt here, and let's just hit enter and see what comes up. So when you get like this prompt, you can upscale one of the 4 images, or you can make variants of them. So let's see what comes up. Okay, so I'm not quite sure what we are seeing here, so let's try to make it a bit bigger. I think I'm gonna blow up image number... Quite curious about image number 2. So first I'm gonna make some variants of image number 2. Okay, so these look kind of cool. I think I might upscale number 4. So let's see how this ends up. Okay, so this is what we ended up with. I thought it was quite cool actually. It's a hyper technologic time travel machine, so not quite sure what the machine is, but if you zoom in, like, you see this, I think it's like a town in the end, and there's like a, this is like a road, or I'm not quite sure, but I kind of like it. Yeah, this is how Midjourney works. So I went back to Upwork to look for some design jobs, and I found one pretty quick. It says it wants a minimalistic logo for a new established company. I would like to find a reliable specialist to create a minimal logo for a new founded transport company. So when I thought transport company, I wasn't quite sure, but I was thinking like maybe it's an air cargo company, maybe it's a train company, or just a general transport company. So I tried some different prompts, and let's see what we ended up with. Okay, so before we look at all the final results, let's just show you how I did this. So of course I used the bot, and I just typed in minimalistic round logo for a technological company. Here I went with, I tried a lot of prompts, so this was the Metroid Dread style. So then I just went for different kind of logos, tried different kind of prompts, and always try to be centered around this tech or this kind of style. So I went for a whole lot of these different ones, kind of like this one. I think the next one was quite cool. So here I went for, I added some intricate blue and neon colors, highly detailed. So we ended up with this one. I kind of think it was, I like that. I thought it was quite cool. And basically this is how I did it, like with all the, I tried to collect a few logos. So if we were to send in this, I guess we could send in like 10 logos. And if they liked some of them, then I guess we got the job then. Now let's have a look at all the final results. This one I really liked. Thought it was awesome. I think this is neon and purple blue. Airplane company. So I really enjoy this one. I thought it was very cool. Next one. So this is awesome. I think this prompt was transport company. So doesn't this look kind of like a Transformers? It really reminds me of Transformers. So maybe it got confused. But one of my favorites. I think this one was my winner. This was definitely like an airport company. So it really looks like a good graphical logo for an airport company. So I think this is my favorite. I also enjoy this. This was also from the 80s retro Miami Vice style. Definitely, if I was gonna ship in this job, I think I would definitely include this one like my main logo. And I like this one. I thought it was very cool. And this one. So I think I would have to send in this, this, and this. These are my 3 favorites. So let's have a look at the tech company job. Okay, so this is the second job I found. It says full-time logo designer, but I had a look at it anyway, and it says the day-to-day task will be creating logos for our startup clients. We have a Silicon Valley minimalist style. So that's what I try to implement in the designs or the prompts. So let's see how it did. Okay, I think this has to be my favorite because it's very minimalistic, but it also has some very cool color combinations and the lighting. And it's I think it's very unique. I can't really remember seeing any logo like this, so I think it's very cool. Definitely one of my favorites. Also this, as we saw in the intro, this was the Metroid Droid style logo. Really cool color combinations, and I like this neon ring outside. So definitely one of my favorites. Okay, this is another one of my favorites. This is also inspired from the Metroid Dread input, so very minimalistic and very stylish. So this is the one I thought was maybe hit most on this Silicon Valley style. I don't know why, but I kind of like it. It's got some details in this ring, and the colors is... Enjoy this. My favorites are definitely this one. I would send this. I would send this and that one. So this one, this, and this has to be the 3 I sent if I was going to try to land the job. So do I think I could actually get paid from doing one of these jobs? You might do. The greatest advantage you have is that you can produce a lot of volume. So you can create 10 logos in quite a short time and just ship everything. And maybe if you are very efficient, you can do a whole lot of work in short time. Maybe you can land some. I'm not quite sure. I don't have any experience with this, so let me know in the comments what you think. Yeah, and if you enjoyed this video, I think you should check out this one where I create an AI podcast host. And I also create an AI podcast where 2 AIs interview each other. So anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.